Hello, this is Little Pocket coming with the information on temples of Gaya, starting with the Vishnupada Mandir. It is an ancient temple in Gaya. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple is located along the Falgu river. This temple is marked by a footprint of Lord Vishnu known as Dharmasila, incised into a block of basalt. Atop the structure is 50 kilo gold flag. The footprint consists of 9 different symbols including Shankham, Chakram and Gadam. The present day structure was rebuilt by Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar, the ruler of Indore in 1787 on the banks of Falgu river. Mangla Gauri Temple. Mangla Gauri Temple has importance of this is mentioned in Padma Puran, Vayu Puran, Agni Puran, Sri Devi Bhagwat Puran and Markandeya Puran. This temple is among the 18 Mahashakti Peeth. The present temple dates back to 15th century. The shrine is dedicated to Sati or the mother of goddess. It is believed that a part of body of Sati fell here according to Hindu mythology. Sita Kund. Sita Kund is on the opposite side of the Vishnupada temple. Sita Kund is situated on the other bank of Falgu river. There is a small temple depicting the spot where the Sita Devi performed a Pindadan for her father-in-law. Pindadan is a religious ritual performed for the peace of departed souls. Surya Kund located on the west side of the Vishnupada temple is one of the most prominent tourist attraction in Gaya. According to popular belief, it is said that a holy dip in this pond sets a person free from all the sins committed. This kund is dedicated to Lord Surya, the sun god. Brahmayoni Temple. It is an ancient shrine located at the top of Brahmayoni hill. Devotees need to climb up 424 steps to reach the hilltop to visit the temple. Temple is located in Brahmayoni Gufa, which represents the creative and female energy of Lord Brahma. Brahmayoni hill provides a great view of nearby areas. Koteshwar Nath Temple. It is situated on the confluence of river Morhar and Dargah in Gaya. It is famous for highly sacred Lord Shiva temple. It is said that Shiv Linga was established by Usha, daughter of King Vanasur of Sonitpur. Every year in month of Savan, large number of devotees gather here to get their wish fulfilled. Yamma Temple. On the top of Prethshila hill lies a Yamma temple dedicated to Lord Yam, who as per Hindu mythology is the god of death. The temple was initially constructed by Rani Ahilya Bai Holkar of Indore but has been renovated several times. There is a Ramakund close to the temple where it is believed that Lord Ram took bath. Now, clans of Gaya, the holy city. Gaya is of historical significance and is one of the most tourist attraction in southernmost part of Bihar. Gaya is 116 kilometers south of Patna. Gaya is surrounded by 3 hills and a Falgu river. Gaya is sanctified in the Jain, Hindu and Buddhist religion. Gaya Junction and Jayaprakash Narayan Airport contributes to a main transport. If you like our work, please like, share, and if you have any idea and information, then please mention in the inbox and press bell icon to get instant notification. Thank you.